Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today, I'll be going to show you how to make banana loaf bread out of overripe banana that turned into a loaf bread. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, here are our ingredients. Bicarbonate of soda, lemon juice or extract, edible oil or vegetable oil, evaporated milk, overripe banana, eggs, granulated sugar, and plain flour or all-purpose flour. And for our toppings, icing sugar, overripe banana, Biscoff biscuit, and Biscoff spread. Let's start. Our plain flour and bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, which is known for American term, let's combine it and set aside. Now let's start peeling the bananas and cut it into small pieces. The purpose is so that we can easily mash our banana. This kind of recipe is the answer for those overripe banana that we can turn into a delicious bread that easily prepared in our kitchen. For you guys, for more videos of DIY and cooking, you may visit our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Also, feel free to comment, share, and likes, suggest to improve our YouTube channel. Also, we welcome you to comments down below for those recipe and dishes that you want us to try. Now, we're going to add lemon juice to neutralize the color of our banana because of its acidic compound. Then manually mash the banana. And set aside. Using an electric mixer and dough attachment, we're going to whisk our eggs in a low setting. Then add the sugar. And continue mixing. At this point in time, we're going to add the mashed banana. Then mix it again. Gradually increase the setting to medium. Then add the evaporated milk and vegetable oil. And continue mixing again until well combined with each other. Then gradually add our plain flour and bicarbonate of soda mixture. and set it into high setting. Until well combined and set aside. Using 2 loaf pan, we're going to put a lining inside the loaf pan to avoid sticking, or just spray it with a vegetable oil . And start preparing our toppings, the lotus or biscuit. So just crush it. Also, you can replace it with graham crackers for this recipe and transfer to a bowl. Now for the filling, we're going to use 2 pieces of overripe banana. Just cut it into cube. And transfer it to a bowl. And again, we're going to add some lemon juice or extract to neutralize again the color of our banana. Then set aside. Let's start pouring our banana mixture into a loaf pan. Just divide it equally into 2. We're going to fill the loaf pan until 1/3 of its capacity. And for extra flavor and taste, we're going to put some banana peeling in between the batter. This will enhance the taste of our banana loaf. Then fill the rest of the banana butter. At this point in time, our oven should be preheated at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes before baking. And we're going to top it with the remaining banana. Also, the Biscoff spread, or you can replace it with any biscuit spread. It's up to you how many amount of the biscuit spread or Biscoff spread you're going to add on this recipe. Then top with crushed Biscoff biscuit or graham cracker for extra sensation of taste and filling for our banana loaf bread. Now we're going to start baking our banana bread. And now, here is our banana loaf bread. It's ready to enjoy it with hot brewed coffee or ginger tea. Enjoy with your family and loved ones and share this delicious bread out of overripe banana. Now, let's take it from the pan. As you can see how perfectly baked our banana loaf. We're going to slice and see the inside of our banana loaf bread. You can see here how our banana loaf is perfectly baked and ready to serve. Now let's try and enjoy this in the morning or even on tea time. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.